At the foot of Mount Zhong stands a martial arts academy unlike any other. There are no generic training slogans here, only a campus embraced by green mountains, flowers blooming through every season, and the masters who genuinely devote their lives to both Kung Fu and teaching. Step into the training hall. Every step of progress unfolds under patient, attentive guidance, subtle, steady, and deeply personal. From Shaolin forms to iron palm, from foundational stances to real sparring, what students gain here goes beyond technique. They learn respect, discipline, and the true spirit of martial virtue. It is not simply teaching and learning, it is the transmission from heart to heart. Martial arts strengthens the body, culture nourishes the soul. Students study, read the classics, and cultivate focus in both motion and stillness. Through meditation, they learn to listen inward. In drawing the bow and taking aim, they train toward unity of mind and action. We believe true strength is not only found in the fist, but in the heart. On the grass, children gather, laugh and play, their voices filling the air. In quiet moments, music drifts through the campus, and every talent is given space to grow. Masters sit beside their students, speaking openly, guiding them through challenges and training, and talking about life. When children live well and are nourished properly, parents can truly feel at ease. Here, every child is seen, heard, and genuinely cared for. Zhong is more than a training academy. It is a living classroom. Martial arts are the root. Culture is the soul. Shaolin Temple Martial Arts Academy, where every child discovers their own light.